Hello everyone, it's Hanny again. Today I'm going to make the mixed media Morsels snack bag book. Prompt number 2, fun. This was circles. Number 1. I think I'm going to put some text on this. Just the word circles. I didn't do it yet, but I think I want to do that. So when I've done that, I'll show you. I take off the page, out the page. So I'm going to make it on here. I have to gather some stuff and think for a while, and when I'm done with that, I'll be back. Well, I gathered some stuff. I printed an old photo of my 2 children. It wasn't a nice photo. Yeah, it's a nice photo, but the quality is not very good. But I printed it on paper, and I will tear this out. And this are my 2 children. 35 years ago, Hilly, my daughter, she was, I think she was 3, and my son Henk, he was 5, I think. And they went to a show, and they, well, they had, dressed up for that. Like you see, she is a little, well, clownish thing, and he too, he has an old pyjama and a hat, and she has blonde hair with something, all kinds of bows in it, little bows in her hair. And, well, they had such fun, so I thought, well, that's a good picture for that. I'm going to use this as a background. Well, it's a bed, but when I glue them over, it's more like a circus tent. So I'm going to glue this on the page. This photo I distressed it a bit with distress ink, vintage photo, and well, it's more yellow now because it was very white. So, and I didn't like that on that paper, so I distressed it a bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue this on the paper, on the back, with, I think I use a glue stick for that. It's a bit bulky, the page, because of this, but I think I'll manage. So now I'm going to glue that on, like so. More like this. So I'm going to cut that. And this one. So. And I will distress a bit the edges. Yeah, that's okay. So, don't have to glue that. And now I will distress a bit the edges. Like so. So the card was full, so I had to change the card. I distressed the edges a bit, and now I will tear this photo. Like so. I don't like it. I thought it would be nice, but no, I don't like it. Maybe I should cut them out. I think I'm going to do that. Just cut my children out. So I will do that, and when I cut them out, I'll be back. Well, I cut them out now, but I think the page is too, well, I don't think the colors match. So I'm going to knock it a bit down with gesso, I think. Where do I have? Gouache? No, gesso, I think. But just acrylic paint will do. So, ew. A bit acrylic paint on here. Well, I have to clean my brushes, I see. Can't use this one, so I will find another one. This one I can use. So I will knock it a bit down with acrylic paint. It's going to be white again. But I think that's okay. Like so. Yes, that's better. I will dry it. So it's dry now, and I'm going to glue my kids on there. Again with a glue stick. son they are now 39 and 41, so they are a bit bigger now, a bit higher. Well, they are sitting on something and you can't see that anymore. Well, and now I want to cheer up the page a bit, but I don't know how. I like the base, but it's a bit, well, sad. Well, they are funny, but and they have lots of fun. So maybe I can use some washi tape, and I have found this tape, and there was the word fun on it. Childhood fun. So maybe I'm going to use a piece of that. Somewhere, I'm not sure yet. And these are flowers, little tiny flowers, washi tape. Sometimes it doesn't work out the way you want, so it's going to be that what it's going to be. Because, well, it is. That was a deep one, honey. People do understand that immediately, what you're saying. Maybe more color, but this is too wide. I don't like that. I have this tape with the alphabet on it. Maybe I could... No, I don't think that's too... It has to be a bit brighter. I have to think for a while. Just stare at the page and let the inspiration come. I'll be right back. Well, I did think a lot, but I don't really think of something. The first thing I'm going to do is just let my children pop out a bit more with the Stabilo All pencil. Just go softly around it. And my son, just to let them pop out a bit more. Like so. And maybe I should wet it a bit. Not sure if that helps, but can try. And I found some tickets I printed. I can't remember anymore where I bought them or purchased them. How do we call that? It was on Etsy. I can look it up. We put it in the description box. But well, I printed out all kinds of tickets, and well, I thought maybe I could glue a little ticket on here, and I think maybe childhood fun. Well, it's exactly what it was. Maybe I can will distress it a bit and then glue it somewhere. But that's all I could think of. Not more. And when I'm going to doodle or something, it's so busy, and it's busy enough, I think. So I'm going to glue this on, maybe 2. Yellow or red. I like this one too. I think I'm going to do that one. It's not as bright as I wanted, but I like the little card. Fits the colors. So I'm going to glue that on. Or in the middle, no, just like there or there. There. I'm going to glue that on. Like so. And I want to glue that somewhere. Childhood fun. Like so. Maybe a red pencil. A bit of red around it. Like so. Yeah. Childhood fun. Well, they had fun. They sure had. And maybe some red around the page. Just a little bit. Well, that's too dry. I have to, the Stazon is too dry, so I have to get my distress red. I think I have born red. That's all I have in red. So I'm going to use that. I have no room anymore here. So here it is. There's purple on it. So a bit red, yeah. Like that. That's okay. Like that. So, but they are not sitting on something. They are just sitting in the air. That's a bit odd. could draw something. A little bench, maybe. That's where they sit, like so. Draw a little bench. Where is my pencil? I could use this one. A little bench. Just like so. Doesn't have to be something like that. Well, they're sitting on something now. They're not floating in the air anymore. So just there's a suggestion that there is a bench and some floor. So I think that's okay. Like so. It's just the idea. Well, it was fun. It was fun to make, and they had lots of fun. When I read the prompt, well, I immediately thought about this picture I had. The page, well, it doesn't have that, you know, and I don't know how to put that in. I could do some splatters or some sparkling something. I don't know. I'm still not satisfied about the page. I really don't know. Could try it. No, I think I'm going to leave it this way, and well, when you have any ideas of any idea what I should do, well, please leave me a comment and maybe I will do it next time if there is something. Well, maybe you know more than I do. I can't think of any more. So please, when you know something to cheer up this page, please let me know. I'll leave it this for now, and I thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.